Wagwan people, welcome to my channel Cooking with Remodread. Yes people, I'm back again in the kitchen and today we got some sardine. Well, this is called sardine in tomato sauce. So today we're gonna make it with some cabbage. We're gonna combine this and some cabbage together. Yes people, some nice and wonderful sardine in tomato sauce with some cabbage. Yes people, so without further ado, let's get into this video and make this nice and wonderful meal. Yeah man. Okay, as you can see, I got my cabbage right here. I got some peppers and onions and my sardine. So let's go ahead and start frying this up. Okay, let's go ahead and add some oil to the pot. And when your oil is out, you go ahead and put it, wait till my oil is out. Okay, when your oil is out, go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my peppers and onions. People. We'll go ahead and put a little bit of seasoning on it. Yes, people. Not that. I'm going to put a first one on it. Yes, people. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some ketchup. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, let's go ahead and add it in. Yes, people. You can go ahead and not smash it out, but I like to break it apart. But you don't have to if you don't want to. I like to smash mine out. So I can make it be more in the pot. Some people don't like to break it apart, but I do. Yes, people. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and add some seasoning to it and season it up. Yes, people, might sound good. And so let's get it all over it. Chicken seasoning, all over it too. Some black pepper. Yes, people. This is gonna be so good. So amazing, trust me. You definitely want to try this out. Okay. So we go ahead and cover it up for a few minutes. Okay, people? Check it out. Sound good and wonderful. Oh my god. You can just do it like this alone and do it without the cabbage if you don't want to. But now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my cabbage, which I already washed the cabbage. Go ahead and wash your cabbage before using it. Wash it off, run some water on it. Then go ahead and put the cabbage in. and get all of this cabbage into the pot. You don't want to waste anything. Yes, people. Yes, people. You get all of this combined together. Just like this. But don't worry about the cabbage being too much in the pot. The cabbage is going to shrink. Yes, people. Okay, let's go ahead and cover this back up. Okay, let's go ahead and check on it. Yes, people. Amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and add some seasoning on it again so we can get some seasoning on the cabbage. So we didn't put none on the cabbage. Basically the same seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the cabbage. Yes, people. Let's get it all over. And some black pepper. Stir it up. Yes, people. Now we're going to cover it up and allow the cabbage to steam and cook. And then it should be done. Okay, people, let's go ahead and check on this pot. Yes, people, look at this. So good. So amazing, people. Yes, people. Nice and good and wonderful. Make sure all your cabbage is cooked though. Yes, people, this is some nice and wonderful sardine and cabbage. So we'll do it around here. Until next time, like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to see many more awesome videos like these. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next one.